last time we have completed exercise 2.1 from chapter number 2 polynomial, and today we will be doing exercise 2.2 from the same chapter, and this is about zero of the polynomial. And about zero of the polynomial I have already explained in the first class, and now this whole exercise is related to zero of the polynomial. And now I will be doing question number 1, Roman number 3, and 1 and 2 you will be doing. So now this exercise 2.1, first let me write the question here. Here question is given 5x minus 4x square plus 3. And in Roman number 1, your question, that is the value of x is given 2. This is your main polynomial and this is the value of x. So we are going to calculate now, find the value of the polynomial means what is the value of this polynomial if x is 2. So what we will do here, now in your solution, when x equals to 2, this is already given. So you first write your question 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So after this, in the next step, what you will do here is value of x is 2. So instead of this x, you will be using 2. So what you will do? 5 into x means 2 minus 4 into x square means 2 square plus 3. Now what you will get here is 5 to the 10 minus 4 into 2 to the 4 plus 3. Again next step, 10, 4, 4, 16 plus 3. So after this, so here one important point is there. See, sometimes you all used to subtract these two, but actually we will not do like that. According to the board one, first we have to add. So this and this are positive. So first we will be adding these two and we will be subtracting this one from their answer. So that is the right process. So first of all, 10 plus 3 is 30. N minus 16. So that is equals to, so 13 minus 16. Now this is bigger, so your answer would be negative, and 16 minus 13 if you will subtract, you will get 3. Then the value of this polynomial when x is 2 will be minus 3. So this is the process how you are going to solve Roman number 1 and 2. In the same way you have to solve in Roman number 1, value of x is given 0. So instead of this x, you will be using 0. And equal Roman number 2, you will be using minus 1. So instead of this x, you will use minus 1. Here also you will use minus 1 square. So when there is minus, so you will be closing the bracket like this. If it is minus. But if it is plus, it is up to you whether you will close or not. But if it is minus, you need to close. So this is for question number 1. Now let us see the next one. So the next is question number 2, and here it is given find P0, P1 and P2 means polynomial. That is value of polynomial is given 0 in the first step, second step 1, third step 2. For each of the following polynomial. And Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. So from there I will be doing any one. So I will be doing Roman number 1. And 2, 3 and 4 you will be doing. So question number 2, Roman number 1. So your polynomial is given here. That is P y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. This is your question, and the value of these polynomials are given 3 polynomials. So let me write here, that is first polynomial is given P0, second is given P1, and the third is given P2. So we will be calculating 1 to 3 steps. So first one, now P0, we will be calculating this one equals to, now instead of y a given 0, that means value of y is given 0 in the first case. So what we will do, this is 0 square minus y means 0 plus 1 equals to 0 minus 0 plus 1 equals to so it is 1. Then next you will be doing this one. Polynomial is given 1 now. So P, instead of y it is given 1. So you first bring the polynomial, that is y square minus y plus 1. So what you will do, instead of y you will put 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square means only 1. So minus 1 again plus 1. See now 2 positive is there and 1 negative. You can cancel plus minus, and this one you can take as answer, or you can cancel plus minus this 2 and this one you can take as answer, or you can add these 2 and cancel step. Any process we can do. So let me add. So 1 plus 1 it will become 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So your answer is 1. Now the third one. See, first and second step we did, and the last one is P value is given 2. So your question is y square minus y plus 1. So what you will do, instead of y square you will be using 2 square minus, instead of y 2 plus 1. Now 2 square means 4 minus 2 plus 1. So now 4 plus 1. First you have to add the positive 1. 4 plus 1 it will be 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So these are the 3 steps of your question. So when the polynomial is 0, your answer will be 1. When the polynomial is 1, your answer will be 1. When the polynomial is given 2, your answer will be 3. Value of y is 0, then the polynomial is 1. Value of y is 1, then the value of polynomial also 1. Value of y is 2, then the polynomial is 3. So this is all about question number 2. And now we will be doing question number 3. So question number 3 also, your similar question. So here your question is, verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial indicate against them. Means the given value you have to use, and you have to check whether the polynomial value is that given answer is the right answer or not. So if it is the right answer, when you will calculate, you will get 0 as the answer. If your answer is not 0, then it is not the zeros of the polynomial. So let me take Roman number 1. Question number 3, Roman number 1. So Px equals to 3x plus 1. This is the polynomial, and the value of x is given minus 1 by 3. Means this is the value of x and this is the polynomial, and we will be checking whether this is the value of x from this polynomial or not. So what we will do here is, we will be doing like this. P, instead of x they are given 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 equals to 3 into x value is minus 1 by 3. You will put the bracket. Before already I have told you, when there is negative, always you need to put bracket. So plus 1. See what I did is, I written the same thing here, but instead of x, I just took this one. Now, next step, multiply these two first. So 3 into 1, you will get 3 divided by 3 plus 1. And you know that this is minus, this is plus. So when you multiply, you will get here minus. Now 3 and 3 you can cancel. Cancel this 3 and this 3. So when you will cancel, your answer will become minus 1 plus 1. So minus plus is minus. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have got the value of this polynomial is 0 when we are using minus 1 by 3 as x. That means this is 0 of the polynomial. So what you will write here? Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial 3x plus 1. So we will be checking like this. See, and to write this conclusion, when you will solve, if you have got any answer other than 0, then you will write therefore it is not the 0 of the polynomial. And if you got 0, then you will write therefore this is the 0 of the polynomial. In that way you have to write conclusion according to this answer. If answer it is 0 of the polynomial, answer is 0, then it is 0 of the polynomial. If answer is other than 0, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. So this is about question number 3. And now question number 4. So question number 4, we have got 7 questions here. So from that 7 questions, I will be doing any one question. So let me do Roman number 4. Question number 4, Roman number 4. So your question is px equals to 3x minus, and here what you are going to do is find the 0 of the polynomial. Find the 0 of the polynomial. That is the question, means you are going to find the value of it. So what we will do is, you will just put it like this, your answer, you will first take the polynomial, 3x minus 2. This is your given polynomial, then equals to 0. Because we are going to check what is the 0 of the polynomial, means what is the value of x. So we will be using 0, because the question is find the 0 of the polynomial. Then now you see in the next step 3x will remain same. You take this 2 to right side. It will become plus 2. This 0 no need to write, because 0 plus 2 it will remain same. The next step, x equals to 2. This 3 is multiplied, so when it will go right side, it will become divided. So now we have got the value of x is 2 by 3. So whatever you will get the value of the x, so that will be the 0 of the given polynomial. If they ask to find the 0 of the polynomial. So you will write therefore 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial, that is 3x minus. So this is all about question number 4. And one thing, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. So many Roman numbers are given, and I have done only one each from all the questions. So the rest you will be trying at home. And if you have any question doubt, then you can ask me, and on that question I will prepare the next class for you again. For that question, whatever you will have got confused, and whatever you will be able to solve, you will be doing yourself. So thank you.